Okay, now that I've cleaned all of my tips and they've soaked in the water and Pretty Boy cleaner, I'm going to spray some water and Pretty Boy cleaner through my tips. First, I want to put back on the filter. Let's shut this off, release the pressure. And this should always be hand tightened as well as be able to loosen by hand. If for some reason you can't loosen it by hand, that means you have pressure built up in the hose and you need to release your pressure. Alright, so I got that on there. Also, I've put a new gasket in my housing. And I'm going to be using this housing to pretty much spray through all of my tips. So basically just put my housing on there like that. And I'll start with this tip. And just get it on there like that. And then what we want to do is turn this back on. Reverse it. Alright, that was good. Okay, so this tip, let's see if it, there we go. See, so you get any kind of gunk out of there.